Hello everyone, hello. It's your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first to be notified. If you are subscribed here before, thank you, God bless you. My people, I get about 3 topics to talk today because another one, it don't happen again. Another one don't shocktalize people again, no, my people. Pray may your village people may they not visit you. Pray may your village people may they not remember you, my people. This topic I want to talk about today, I don't know whether na deliverance the man need do. I first talk this first one. I don't know whether na deliverance or what it call enter the man. We be say the man come by himself, use the hand, take mess a baby. We be say that baby now go be that kind 3 months or 4 months. He use the hand, he me around. My people, when I see the video, I shocktalize. Nobody know wetin make this man do this thing. Nobody know wetin come over this man. Nobody know wetin make the man do am. The man wan talk because according to his wife, he say he leave the baby for bed. The baby come dey cry. He wan go carry am. The man come say make he leave am. Say he go carry am. Before you know wetin dey happen, dey hear something dey knack ground. Gboyi. Now he say, wetin dey happen? Make he run come, make he come look wetin dey happen. Now he mean say his husband they use the baby head till they knack ground. They use the baby head till they knack ground. Before you know the baby peme. He say na snake na him see. My people. Hey, they say wetin person never see, never waka reach there. Wetin person never see, he never waka reach there. This man say he say na snake na him see. He no know say na baby in they use the head till they knack ground. My people. My people, if you hear some kind of this, you go shocktalize. You go shocktalize. You go dey surprise. Wetin dey happen? Wetin dey play? Wetin dey play, my people? I just started when I just see the video, I shocktalize. Say things dey happen, Things dey happen. Things dey happen. As in. The man say this is a snake, na him see. I was like, that baby resembles snake. I bet they change the man face. What do you think, my people? I bet they change the man face. I bet they use something to rub the man face. Maybe say, no, can't know what they do again. I don't understand. For me, the reason I say they change the man face, because I don't see what will make this man be picking. According to what we can see here, they say the man brothers, the three of his brothers, they mad for Nigeria. They decrease. Because now this thing they Indian. When I say Indian, when they say they the three of his brothers, they just decrease at the same time. So they want to transfer the madness, constantly reach body, but they say you those start. Now, I've been a maker. Something is wrong in that family, the way we look at. Something is really wrong. When I see the video, I shocktalize my people. I just tired. Say, wetin can dey happen? Wetin can dey happen, my people? If we dey finish for one, another one go dey come. If you finish for one, another one go dey come. The thing dey tire me really sometimes. You could just see many topics. So that is it. You could just even tire. Small job by yourself, meme a pikin. Saying it is in a snake, na easy. My people, anything you think about this topic, I beg, leave your comment because I want to really know your comment, your opinion about this video. Whether or not their village people visit this man, me I don't know. They change the man face towards the pikin that they come in, they see snake, they visit a snake. Nobody know. Nobody know what he make the man do because no man go just with a clear eye. Just eat belly for say want me pikin. So if you be saying that something that they use for that man, they change the faces or the craze with the thing where they happen for their family, their village people, they don't visit this man. I will tell me I raised it for that part. Maybe I have never finished for this one, another guy again. As a parada, I go talk, so we'll go straight to another news. Another guy again. Beme one agbo guy. Say because whether they dey party, they drag for room. They say this one happen now. They drag for share. He say now he wants to sit down for the share, make he get up because of share. Now it happen. So pray me you don't go me person way rat. Don't face shop pray me. You now just come touch and don't say that you me the person. I be you know. Just pray. May that kind of thing may not happen to you. Maybe that happen to this guy now. Nobody know. My people. I don't understand what you call the happen again for this world though. I tell you say I see you understand I dey lie to myself. I don't understand. So then one girl na come out. Gonna agbo girl. He said a lie. Bini person go ki agbo. This that. Kini kon. Wetin they bring that one. This that. You have to talk for Yagbo people. Bini people are wicked. Bini people are this. I was like, are you kidding me right now? Like, are you serious? So Bini people now, because say one person come say now all the Bini people now they wicked now. My people, when we go stop all those resistance? When we go stop them? When we go stop them? Okay, that one Agbo man we meme Bini woman for Germany that time go. Why would not come say oh now all Agbo na they bad? Why would not come say Agbo they wicked? But we don't dey reason like that because we don't feel just say that everybody they wicked because one person do bad now. You now just come out now you begin to insult Bini people. Not where you not talk now, so you go the waka they go for road or you go they talk to you or you go they approach you. Because na Bini people now they come here come they do it be again because of that one now it make you they talk to you now say ta mechono. If you don't know what you want to talk, you better close your mouth, my dear. You better close your mouth. Who tell you say na Bini people na you do it be again pass? They see tribe when all they do am. They see tribe when all they do am. Agbo who do am reach some of them. They see tribe when all they do am. If you want to talk people way wicked pass some Agbo people, some of them not saying that all some because me I don't see Agbo. Forget that thing. So you just know those one where you just they run your mouth and say I feel say you they look for view or you want popular. You want those saga be popular. Just talk that one say those people they not good. Who tell you that one? If you want to talk of people where even nice pass now be nice pass before. If you don't know. You will talk that kind of thing be do people because you want to do your do bad thing. Come be saying how do people now can they bad. Like seriously? If you just the talk, you know the reasons or kind of things we want the talk really. You not go even reason now. You just carry the talk in here. Say be the Edo people they bad. Now all Edo they bad. If one Edo can't do bad, come be saying now all Edo. So my sister, I beg, me you just control your mouth if you they talk. Nobody know what he make that boy. What he happen for that Agbo and that Bini guy. You be say the Agbo can't be me. Nobody know. Only God then can't know what he happen for there. So I don't be that one. I can't see the waka they go for road, they go for Facebook. Now I see another video. We want South Africa gay. They see they accuse that one say Ikbeme your husband. They get they cry say not be me, not be you. You not do anything like that. So I ain't go be you husband. My people. When I can't see that one, I can't see shop talents. I can't see shop talents. See, what's it called the happen? What's it called the happen, my people? When I can't see that one, they say the girl, Meme your husband. They say they come beat and say put her for under bed. The girl say not be in. They shout for the girl, the family. They shout. The girl say not be in. He not do am. I Meme your husband. You know this the way be say. Why I want to talk this girl will be say. Why be say if something happen, we always the one accuse the wife. You see, girl one when I see for when I see happen, say happen for Nigeria too that time. The girl too, they accuse her. You don't see person go just eat belly full, say want me your husband. Instead, if na outside dey high, you know, we just better leave the man than say you come payment the man. I don't really know. If you disagree with me, you can leave your comments for the comment section, because I don't really know what will make somebody say one payment your husband. I don't really know what will cause that kind of thing, my people. The thing they surprise me if I hear some kind of story. The thing will they surprise me, say how somebody go eat belleful, say one payment your husband. She like to just suffer alone or that what the man can't get, as in, and because of money I be waiting. Because I see where the girl they cry, they say he don't do anything like that. Because I don't feel show the video for here because of YouTube, they grow all those kind of things. You get some kind of videos where you put there, just the verse say why you put this kind of video, all those things, because the man body see the ground there, you understand? So I don't feel put that kind of video for here. So when I just see the thing, they shockalize, say how do they accuse the girl they cry, say because she not from South Africa, because those head say the man are from Uganda, because she not from South Africa, and I mean that they accuse her like that, So when they hide their voice, later they can't load their voice again, they talk to the girl they say no why no too, So nobody really know what happened for that girl. Nobody really know what really happened. Only God, only God will feel ask. So I beg my people. So maybe they reason before we they do things. Obviously, something will just happen. Africans will just carry on. They say na she this that na she payment your husband na she do this How person go eat belleful say why you payment your husband? Like seriously? I beg that kind of thing. Get with some kind of things we be say we go they talk. We will see they use our HQ. We will see the reason for what they do, my people. So. And the story when I just get today to talk. So anything what you think about this topic, you can leave your comments for the comment section. Thank you, everybody. Take care till I come here next time again. I remember your one and only Lady J. Bye, everybody. Bye.